What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Today has been a really good day, but now I'm at the gym. Gotta put in work even though it's on a Friday. We're stretching out, rolling out right now. Chris is stretching out right now. Oops, sorry. And I am stretching out right now as well. We're about to get this workout. We're gonna do calves and what? Hey Chris, what are we doing today? Calves and what? What are we working out today? Hamstring and calves. And yesterday we did glutes and glutes and something else. Ow. But today's another day. If y'all haven't got y'all's workout in, y'all should. Oh, it's not a good angle. Let's see if I can put y'all right here. It's not working out. And then, okay, I'll let y'all see the workouts we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a good one. I feel it. Happy Friday, y'all. Okay, can you see me on this machine? This is a hard one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I can do this. That burns. Today's shake. What I'm doing today, let me show y'all. Oh, well, the flavor of it is pralines and cream, and let me just tell y'all, it's really good. Still on my healthy kick. But yeah, we're gonna do it. We're not gonna stop. If y'all are not following me on Instagram, y'all should come and check me out on Instagram as well. It's bad, BAD _ Bonnie _ the number 3. The number 3, it's my favorite number. That's why I have it on there. And Bad Bonnie itself was taken, so I couldn't do that. But y'all go add me on there. Oh, let me tell you a story about this picture. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. So this picture was taken of me and my sister in California, damn, 2012. And so let me just tell y'all a little quick story about it. So I think we were in Hollywood. Yeah, we were walking Hollywood, and you know how they have all those artists to paint your pictures and stuff? Let me see if I can adjust. Okay, to paint your pictures and stuff, right? And so I was like, I want one of me and my sister. So then I told her, let's take one. Let's let him take draw our picture. And then I told the guy, I was like, because let me tell you, all my life I've always had chubby cheeks. I've always had them. So I told the artist, I was like, when you draw our picture, I was like, can you make my cheeks skinny? Like, can you and he did. Oh my gosh, it was so funny because my cheeks are not like that. But shout out to that artist because he made me look skinny and that, like, he gave my cheeks, like, I don't know. That was hilarious whenever we did that. But okay, I'm about to head. I'm about to get into my car and gather the stuff up so I can go wash it and then vacuum it. Yeah, it needs it really bad. I'll show you guys when we get there. Oh my god. Yeah, oh my gosh. It definitely needs to be clean. So I'll show you when we get there. Well, you guys are coming with me, so I'll show you. Okay, bye. Oh, can I just say, everybody and their mom wants to come and wash their car today. For real. I've been here just chilling. I'm about to get there, but man, but I'm not tripping because you know what? This sun that's beaming on me, oh my gosh, feels so good. I've missed the sun. I've missed it. But okay, I'm about to go through this car wash as I'm listening to some Pop Smoke. Man, his music is good. I like his music. But yeah, we're here. I'm about to wash this car. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get more video footage of me doing this, but we'll see because there's so many people here. But all right, I'll see you in a minute. So we're doing a surprise birthday. We're doing a surprise birthday party for your tia. Yeah. So for Yaya's madrina, and it's gonna be so exciting because a lot of y'all's family, the family is here, and they came from California and stuff just to do the surprise. That's gonna be so nice. Look at. It's so pretty. The theme is like Mexican food. So we're gonna say surprise here in a minute. I'm so excited. I feel like if I was her, I would cry. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's about to happen. I think she said she's parking. Like, stop. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. She's coming. I think whenever she walks in, I think they're gonna play it. That's so pretty. Did she see the family yet? Oh yeah, but it's gonna be a good one. Oh, this is so
No los abra, no los abra. No los abra, tía. No gire,
That's so pretty. That is so pretty. She was definitely surprised. Yes. That's like the top of everything. Oh, that is so cute. That's so dope. So bomb, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's really good. Do you put the salsa? Is it hot? Yeah, just barely like a... Okay, she said I barely put the salsa. What? That what? That was your birthday. No. Let's try it now. I feel like I messed up by putting that. Good. Do you hold us in here, huh? Yeah. We eat ours with the... Yeah, I'm gonna tell you that too. I like it. It's like just like, you know how when they're barely done in the olla?
A ver, ocasión por allí para la mañana, si se abre o algo, se quita. Usted dígame, sabemos en inglés, en japonés y en francés. Vamos a jugar mientras el niño lo pedimos y no se publica por allí. Y dice...
Okay, go. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna try to do this. Ah! Oh my god. I'm trying to make sure it gets all in there. go, Oh my god, that's hot. That was kind of hot. There's a cute little baby in front of me right now. And I'm not crazy about like that much bucket tea. But I snapped it. Look at Leslie and her baby. Aww. I miss you guys. Say hi. Look at my new friend.
We'll just sit there and watch TV.
Say hi, mijo. Say hi. Say hola, ¿cómo están? He's gonna be my best friend. He just doesn't know it yet.